We've created this course for small business owners to work at their own pace and follow our proven process that we've been using with our small business clients for over 17 years. This course provides a step-by-step guide to create a positioning and point of difference, to create a tailored and tangible marketing plan that will help drive business and personal goals. The outcome of this course is that clients have some structure around their marketing to make sure that their marketing has the best chance of working and the best chance of actually being executed. There's 4 key areas to the course. 1, to get a holistic meaning of marketing and how it actually helps your business. 2, to go through our 10-step process to create a point of difference and a positioning for your business and your brand. 3, to create a tangible and actionable marketing plan that also outlines activities, actions, and the timing and investment for your plan. And the 4th is how do we best use AI to help execute those activities and help eliminate skills and time as an obstacle for your small business. Little Marketing is Australia's leading marketing consultancy for small business. We've been working with small businesses for over 17 years. We've been providing advice, creating marketing plans, and executing and consulting on those plans with our clients across the country. We help our clients by creating a key positioning and point of difference to eliminate the competition, where we create some structure in their marketing by creating a marketing plan, which gives them consistency in message and consistency in frequency so they can cut through in the cluttered world. With the 4 key pain points of time, money, energy, and skills being the biggest for small business owners when it comes to marketing, the goal of this course is to overcome those 4 obstacles and empower small business owners with their marketing. So if you think this course will benefit you personally and your small business and get it off to the right start, then enroll today.